Hi, this is Kumar. So in front of you, daily data chart of WTI crude oil futures CFD, which is closed on Friday of 6th at about $67.20. It means the last 3 days was to be red candle after positive inventory. Please mind that's a positive inventory and sell off what we seen from higher side. So that is also $71.51. From that point, the last 3 days was to be downside, and the bottom end is about this contract activated at about $66.61. So that with the observation point of on next week. And also that year low is that is 65 that is year low is of 10th of September 2024, the 65.26. so that to be that observation. If it is not sustained the 66.60, then to be the 65.21, that and the overall that year low trading right now. So that overall this is in this year, so that is there is no much to be that is a demand, in the sense that is to be to fly price fluctuations to be the below of 71.65. This was the 71.65 point, and this is activated in that range of below that one. And also this is not only from right now, this is from September onwards that range bound trading has been continued. So I think this especially in this year, that is in this month, I think so this range to be continuous, or what I feel. So only that is after next year, so they will think over about any upside. But the overall this is as price is under pressure as of now. And technically observation also to be that is there is no much more to shining to go upside, only that a fluctuated range to be continued, that what range bound trade. So this is a update about the WTI crude as the next week, especially that is from 16th to 20th, as well as that projections of that this month and expiry on 19th altogether this year. I think so the range bound of this range is to be maybe continue until unless the $65 below, only you can think again to be that a range of 60 and 65 range. So that next maybe that possible may not be possible, but the range of 65 and 78, that range is to be continued, I think so. So this is only the observation projections. Let's see what the next on live market. Till then, good luck.